How to use inspector panel in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use inspector panel in your Wix Studio website or your website editor. So it's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then choose your website. After that, you will be in this dashboard, in that website dashboard. You can navigate to edit site here, you can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. So this is my website editor. So inspector panel is in the right side of your screen. This one, you can see open inspector. So you can click it and it will open the inspector panel. And this is for the page. So if you want to choose the item or the element, you have to right click. So let's say I want to let's say I want to open the inspector panel of this text. So I'm gonna right click and then select layer. And as you can see, there is two options, section or tutorial with Sena. I'm gonna choose tutorial with Sena. So it will open the inspector panel of this text. So now I can, change the alignment, the size, and also the design of the text, the styles, the fonts, the font size, and a lot of style here, a lot of option here. Also, I can change the animation or you can add the effects for the text. And also, there are more option here. You can connect text. So you can apply it with the other elements. So let's say I want to open the inspector panel of this image. So I'm gonna right click and then select a layer. And then as you can see, I can choose the image. You can click on it. And now I can, edit the image or modify everything here from the inspector panel. So for the border, for the design and others, it's a lot of them. So yeah, basically you can just right click on the elements and then you can select layer and then you can choose the elements or the items. So that's it, how to use inspector panel. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.